Hello guys, welcome back to Gospel News with the give on Ogbonge information back to back. So in case you have not subscribed, then you are missing out. Quickly going into the reason why we're here. I get one video when I want bring back to na notice. It was posted a few days back. I'm on Ekpa's handle, the Biafra Prime Minister. He gave it to make I won't play that video for now because of some people we never see him. Oh God. I don't feel laugh anyways. What to make I won't play that video is because of what happened. What happened in that video? It's about the DOS or the people who are supporting the DOS. You get some kind of things when you go do like this, it go become public shame. Just like the lawyers who went to defend P.Obi fell asleep. And some people are saying that they should refund P.Obi his money very, very quickly. People like Barrister Mike Ozekhome, the senior advocate of Nigeria. No be small sleep when the man catch you inside court to who na one con judge case. No wonder when they look on her face finish, maybe on they sleep. Now they give that ruling that on no bring evidence because the people were sleeping. PEPT judgment: sleeping lawyers should refund P.Obi's money. Says Soso Barocon. I be waiting they call him. And so in that same vein, I want to say that the DOS also should refund Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's assistants. I don't know who they will refund it to because when I know they defend that man well, how can somebody be snoring when they defend DOS? They attack Simon Ekpa. Even if the attack self is, even if say the attack is right or wrong, whichever way it is. But this sleep, they sleep, so it don't make them irrelevant. Because I heard somebody snoring heavily. God do. There is God do. Now let's go into details. And they say that seek forgiveness, your only legacy, opening the floodgates of terror on Nigerians. Hey, Articles 8, Shaibu tackles Shetima. This Shetima today, will be the vice president of this country. Well, they say Tinubu, they do drug for America before they carry and come back to Nigeria. And his vice, now somebody will be terrorist or guy. Now we think they talk for here. May we go into details and no time. Even though they say they said drugs for abroad, though, they say that one. You know who anything against Tinubu now? Rather, P.Obi, na Ikpe mara, Nigeria. We heard it. Let's go straight and find out what happened here. Now, a video was posted of a DOS member of IPOB, which is the Indigenous People of Biafra, of the Directorate of State, where he was issuing, will I say threats or attacking Simon Ekpa, that his launching of the Biafra Liberation Army is a negative move and that he will pay dearly for it, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to show you that video and what Simon Ekpa said in regards to that particular statement. He said, please ignore this nonsense coming from Ozekhome. Listen to the pig or elephant snoring. Arumelo. Onye nka ekwobugo onwe ya n'ụra. Make una hear, may no be like say, na me can they form something here. Now wow, it shock me when I hear. Now wow, how can people of this caliber be doing or presenting this kind of things on social media? Not be juju be that. Mazi Ezumezu, aka Nwa Ekwensu. Okay, now Mazi Ezumezu, now I post this video. So Mazi Ezumezu, how can you be? Is it that you don't listen to yourself, or the person who was sleeping there, he fall inside buru pit or something, or maybe he done down about 10 fufu, now he can lie down, they snore like elephant, we fall from buru pit. Now watch.
You will do what? You will answer to all the activities.
Okay, una they hear am. Not be juju be that. Oh God. Imagine say they call our brother now and say, oh, We've heard what is going on. Come and address a world conference. And he was in this room. Sorry, you, may God not allow them.
That you did.
Again.
Mark Àttàck. Just mark it.
Now, wow, una they hear the there. Watch again.
You will do what? You will answer to all the activities.
Oh yeah.
That you did.
Kai.
Mark Àttàck. Just mark it.
All right, una don't hear my brother. This is a disgrace. I no go lie you. This is a shameful. I don't know. When you hear this kind of noise, even if you dey where somebody dey, I beg. Now quick. Now you go take off that video. Now quick. Now you go take off that video because it doesn't make any sense.
PW 7's evidence that the petitioners did not understand the explanation of the first respondent, or were just fixated on their belief that they won the election without any cogent and credible evidence. And they did not even bother to place any such credible evidence before this court. Were they expecting the court to go and gather evidence from the streets or from the markets, or to be persuaded or intimidated by threats on social media? That is not the way of the court. See the admonition of Toby JSC in
Una don't hear about these ones are videos from the just concluded ruling we no favor P.Obi. And I have another video here where I suppose don't play for now. This is a Festus Keyamo when they look like, oh God, oh, sorry. The sleep really dealt with this one. Una know they sleep for us. Una carry miliki, carry big load. Una no go sleep. See us all lawyers, they sleep inside court. Una go refund, even if nothing, una refund the money. And Barrister Michael Ozekhome, I beg, go refund P.Obi money, make it take and do road for Anambra State. See person wey come court and see the eye camera. If they sleep, look that man behind this Hausa man in front here. Look at, see and there they sleep. Oh, look at the other one too. The black say that one na Femi Gbajabia Miller. Abi, waiting they call him. All the judges where they carry concord that day, then they sleep. Then this our brother will be say they talk something here. A person where they in back, that one they snore. Muna refund P.Obi in money because you people have failed to deliver. Now let's look into details here and see why they want Barrister Michael Ozekhome them and Ndutu to refund the money that they collected from P.Obi. The viral clips of lawyers having a second sleep at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal (PEPT) held in Abuja on Wednesday, September 6th, have continued to elicit reactions from Nigerians online. The PEPT commenced the delivery of judgment in the dispute that arose over the February 25th presidential poll, which saw President Bola Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress declared the winner. 5 political parties, including the main opposition party, the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Labour Party, Action People's Party, APP, Allied People's Movement, APM, and the Action Alliance, are challenging the poll's outcome. Everybody lodged their case against Tinubu. However, many weren't prepared for the sleeping marathon view that greeted the populace following the decision by the tribunal to televise the judgment on national TV. Now, waiting on the happen inside court. Now, be this one, they know they televise all these things. But this one where they manage televise now, we don't capture all of them. Several lawyers and notable personalities were captured in different positions, dozing away. Reacting to the clips, Soso Soberekon suggested that all the lawyers hired by Labour Party candidate P.Obi ought to refund his money. He said, all these P.Obi lawyers supposed to refund the man his money because you cannot be invited to court to come and defend a client, and when you get there, you begin to sleep like say you no sleep last night. See now, I don't show now those pictures before on different video, but I think I support this move. So Barrister Mike Ozekhome, try and see me in the office. In case you no want give am P.Obi, bring that money to me, because I no see the reason why una go dey sleep inside judiciary. When you sleep, the court sleeps. No wonder they gave una that judgment like that. Say, oh yeah, Muna carry and they go, because you people came here to sleep. Moving away from there very, very quickly, we have this man here challenging Shettima, the vice president of Nigeria now, as Tribunal don't rule. Say making go beg for forgiveness from Nigerians for bringing in Fulani terrorists into the country. Excuse me. Now, they say that the Special Assistant on Public Communications to Atiku Abubakar, Mr. Frank Shaibu, has said the only legacy Nigeria's Vice President, Kashim Shettima, left in Borno as governor is the destruction of millions of lives and property. Reacting to Shettima's speech at the Presidential Election Petition Court, Shaibu, in a statement released on Thursday, claimed Shettima's performance as governor of Borno showed how bad he is as a leader. These are the people who are coming in as your president and the vice. Tinubu also has a bad record of forfeiting $460,000 in United States because of the drug dealings he had during that time. Shettima on Wednesday said he will retire Atiku Abubakar to life on the farm to rear goats, broilers, and layers. Shettima said, "We have moved beyond the phrase of politics. Now we are in the phrase of governance. Atiku Abubakar is another statesman that I hold in very high esteem." Shettima said, "Anybody who knows sociocultural interaction between the Fulanis and the Kanuris in the north would know that I have the liberty to hurl all insult at him, and he'd stoically bear. We are not going to retire Atiku to Dubai or Morocco. I would retire him to Fombina. I'll buy him goats, broilers, and layers so that he can spend his days rearing cows and broilers, just like Buhari is doing now." On a more serious note, Atiku is another statesman, so they talk. All those ones are not of importance to me. According to this man who is tackling Shettima, he said Shettima was appointed as Commissioner for Finance and later became Governor of Borno State. Those who brought him had high expectations for him, having come from the banking sector. However, rather than bringing prosperity to the people of Borno, he opened the floodgates of terror. During his tenure as the governor between 2011 and 2019, Borno State was taken over by Fulani terrorists completely. He ignored a security report about an impending attack on Chibok, which ultimately led to the abduction of over 250 girls. Specifically, the head of WAEC's national office in Nigeria, Charles Eguridu, stated in 2014 that WAEC had informed Shettima about the danger of holding exams in Chibok and advised that students be relocated to Maiduguri, which was relatively safer. Shettima refused to relocate the students and they were abducted, half of whom have not been seen again. Till today, out of that 250 students, they say half of them, they never still recovered them today. How did they go? Were they killed? Were they sold? Nobody in this Nigeria, anything can happen and nobody will bear the consequences. That same person who, under his watch, these things happened, has become the vice president of Nigeria as I speak. Criminality, banditry, and all sort of vices is what rules Nigeria. If your hands are clean, my brother, forget about leadership in Nigeria. Even though he left government 4 years ago, the millions of residents of Borno State have yet to recover from the mistake called Shettima. Rather than be patient, he continues to move about like a clown, making unsolicited dry jokes about others. We wonder what manner of substance Shettima was on when he proceeded to denigrate the great Fombina kingdom headed by His Royal Highness Burkinando Aliyu Mustafa de Lamido of Adamawa. Now, so this man takes shade Shettima over his comment on Atiku Abubakar. I just make I bring all this to your notice. Muna, they know as he take the go. For those of us we don't know how we began to, face banditry and all that. They say when go still don't hear one leakage of audio where they say that Shettima is the Oga Patapata of this banditry and the terrorism in Nigeria. When I don't hear them from different reports. Anyways, I just say make I tell on as he take the go. Stay tuned here. More updates will be dropping in no distant time. Thank you and God bless you.